Welcome back everybody. Today's topic is that how you are going to market your photography business using this digital marketing and what strategies you should use digitally. So let's get started.
I am on a mission to help 10,000 entrepreneurs to grow their business digitally. You got the best business on your side. Now, raise the money, hire experts, and go. I am here to answer your questions. Start making video content.
So here we are, photography digital marketing. So first thing is that you must have your website, because with website, what are the advantages of website? Let me expand this. First is authority. When you have website, it helps you to build authority, that you are an authorized person and people trust you more when you have website. Second thing is lead capture. Lead capture is very important when you are running Facebook ads, Google ads, or whatever. And these people from wherever you are going to show your ads, these people will come to your website, visit your website, and this will help you to capture the lead through Facebook pixels and Google pixels. So this is very important that you must have a website. So if you just run ads and people will visit and do not buy, then you have to retarget them and you have to call them again to show your more services. So it's very important that you have your website so that people can land there. Next thing is take your business to the next level. It is branding is very important nowadays. It's 2021, and if you're not branding yourself, then it's very hard to grow your business. So this is a website will help you to brand. But what type of website you should have? So you should have a personal website plus a business website. Two website. Personal website, so that it will help you to build your personal brand. So whatever image you have, who you are, whatever, your all information is on your personal website, and your business information is on your business website. So you must have two websites in the beginning. Okay, that's very important. Whatever business people take any bigger name, they have their personal website and they have their business websites. So because one person can have lots of businesses, so better you build your personal website and then you attach your business website to it. So first thing is website is done. So make sure you have your first step, website. Next is live. So I'm telling my friends and my clients you should start going live on YouTube, live on Instagram. So you cannot go immediately live on YouTube because you need 1,000 followers, but you can go immediately live on Instagram. So what you have to do when you go live on Instagram, it will also tell you that you're confident and you just love your business and you are just enthusiastic and person. So it helps you to build more authority. So live, when you go live, show behind the scenes, show people what you are doing in your business. So like you're shooting your office and all thing. Next is a live shoot. Let's say you are shooting a wedding or shooting something, show them people how you are doing. You're just adjusting your lens, your team, your what are the things in photography. So show people what you are doing actually. That's the motto of going live. You are planning before shoot, like in your studio you're planning this, you're just doing some plan work that we are going here, now we are going to do this, xyz, whatever things in photography. So this will help you to build a connection, emotional attachment with your audience. This is very important. Next thing is YouTube. So why YouTube is important? Because if you're not using YouTube, then you are putting almost 40 to 50% strategies and 40 to 50% power of digital marketing on the table, because YouTube is very important in this digital marketing. Any bigger player, if you see photographer or who are growing their business on online, they have YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you that how YouTube can help you. I'm going to show you a photographer. I have someone to show you. So what she is doing and how she is growing her business on YouTube. And there are lots of creators who are actually photographers. So why YouTube is important? First thing, listen, that if you search something on YouTube related to photography, let's say how to start photography business, then when you see search results, there are 50 to 60% people are actually photographers sharing their knowledge on YouTube. They are not anyone else. They are just from the field, people from the field. So that's why people are how they are getting lots of leads and lots of inquiries, because people trust them, because they are photographers and they're telling people how to do things and whatever else about their business, how they are shooting. I'll show you like right now. Let me share my screen. So you can see here Joy Mitchell. So she's photographer, and she has 51K subscribers on YouTube. So now look what she's doing on her YouTube channel. So she's sharing that hobby wedding consultation series, honeybook for weddings, software run photography business, marketing for photographers, Instagram for photographers, then my photography favorites, client management, business branding tips, everything. She's growing her photography business using this YouTube. So you see how powerful YouTube is and how YouTube is helping her to grow her business. She's getting lots of inquiries, and if you look at her YouTube, you will see that she's authorized and she's a good photographer, and she has a lot of knowledge about this field, and people will easily pay you more than average. So this is how you'll stand out. Let me come back to our mind map. So next thing is influencers. So how you are going to use influencers? If you don't need to spend lakhs of rupees on bigger influencers who have millions of followers. What you have to do, use smaller influencers who has 1 lakh to 5 lakhs followers based on Instagram, or let's say on YouTube as well. So use these people, and these people will charge hardly 5,000 to 10,000. They will say that they need 20,000 to market yourself, but your business, but you have to convince them that your engagement rate is like this and all. It's up to you, but don't give more than 8,000 or 10,000 rupees to these people. And these people have good base of audience. Depending upon the engagement rate, give them their money. So between 5,000 to 10,000 is enough, I think, and you can actually reach up to more people, and you will get good amount of client if you just find authentic YouTubers or authentic influencers on Instagram. This is very important. We have lots of opportunities, and you don't need to spend lakhs of rupees on marketing every month. If you just use your money wisely, just what you have to do, you just find these influencers, and they will charge give them to 5,000 to 10,000 per month, and they tell them to make a video of 1 to 5 minutes promotional video about your photography business, and this is how you will put your business in front of lakhs of people. So if you have budget of 20,000, hire 2-3 different influencers. This is the best and awesome strategy for 2021 influencer strategy. It works better if you find a good and a related influencer. It may be actor, or it can be a photographer also as well. So make sure you're using influencers and you're using YouTube. So let me share the strategies of bigger player, what other bigger players are doing. So let's jump into the best secret of biggies. So what is the secret that bigger players are using, bigger photographers are using to grow their business? So let's reveal that. It's teaching. So people on YouTube, people on on any other, let's say any other social platforms, what they are doing, they are actually teaching other people. Let's if you type on YouTube search that how to get more clients using photography, that I told you, the people who are going to answer on video you are going to see are actual photographers. They are putting their videos and their experience out on YouTube and all other social platforms, and they're teaching people that how to do this. That I told you that Mitchell, she was also teaching people how to, like there's more skills, like anything related to photography. So this is the secret, people actually teaching other people, and that's why they are growing faster, because other small photographers believe that she's authentic, and word of mouth helps her grow her YouTube channel and all. So this is how you have to grow. This is first thing that you have to teach on these YouTube platforms, whatever things you have learned and whatever your experience and all. Next thing is interview. I have created one video related this, that how you can grow your YouTube faster and what other content you have to put on Instagram on YouTube. So what you have to do, you have to start an interview thing. So you don't need to be an expert in interview. What you have to do is just ask people from your niche or related to your niche, and just start this interview thing, because it will also help you to be just authorized person, and people will trust you more, and it will help you to charge more, because you will become a brand in your industry, because no other photographers are doing these things, like taking interviews of other photographers, people from your same niche. And this will help you to, you don't need to be a perfect interviewer. What you have to do, just take 10 questions, 20 questions and ask randomly, and watch 2-3 videos are related to how to take an interview. It should be simple. The motto is just, you have to educate your people. Interview should be must have a theme, that let's say how to grow photography business, how I'm growing photography business, how you are growing your business, like this. So this is how interview thing will help you. Next thing is show. Bigger players, if you see, they have their own shows on bigger social media platforms, so you can start your own show as well. So like Ask Me, or like photography marketing 101, branding photography with your name, let's say branding photography with Tanmay, like this. You can start this show of yours, so it will also help you to become a brand and become a strong photographer and grow your business faster. So next is question answer session weekly. So I have made a video on this. You can just see that. I've given the link here on the I button. So this is how you're going to grow your YouTube channel and all other social media platforms and grow digitally. So there are more smaller things, and if you want in-depth knowledge, then I have created a course as well. It's very effective course, so it's very affordable course, and anybody can just afford that course. So if you want, the link is in the description, and if you like this video, you know what you have to do. And thank you for watching, and I have more videos on more businesses. I will be putting that on YouTube. So stay connected. Have a good day. Thank you.